This is Raspberry Pi, a programmable desktop wheeled legged robot. It comes with Raspberry Pi Master Control, works with the ESP32 processor. It adopts a connecting rod structure, with dual wheel foot motion joints, and integrated wheel hub motors, allowing it to move flexibly like a wheeled robot. Also has the obstacle crossing capability of a legged robot. Built-in inertial measurement unit. Make Raspberry Pi can adapt to complex terrain, possess agile and stable omnidirectional performance. Raspberry Pi is equipped with a 2-inch IPS display. Supports custom images and dynamic expressions. With integrated microphone and speaker, as well as support for ChatGPT, Raspberry Pi can communicate fluently with users. Lulu, create an image of a leopard cat in the future. We have also deeply integrated AI vision technology with Raspberry Pi. Whether it is license plate recognition, face mask, gesture tracking, human body recognition, or recognizing common objects in life, Raspberry Pi can easily handle it. Users can also control Raspberry Pi through gestures, enjoy the fun of intelligent interaction, precisely control the robot through body movements, even read QR codes, perform corresponding actions based on its content. In addition, Raspberry Pi also supports face tracking, which can lock and follow a specific target. It also has the ability to recognize colors, and can track the target color object in real time. Users can also create a dance for Raspberry Pi, through Bluetooth app and built-in action group. Wi-Fi remote control app will also be provided. Users can enjoy FPV control. Many open source courses and sample codes will be provided for free. Everyone can expand and develop it. Turn it into your ideal robot.